Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to run event ads. So for this, I am here on Ad Managers and I log in with my account. Now here in left side, if I move my cursor here, so we have Events Manager. Click on Event Manager. Okay, so now here you will direct it to Events Overview. Now go to Data Sources. And from here you will find the create option, so click on create, and from here you can create event ad. From here click on create ad. Okay, so now the buying type is auction and we want app promotion or sales, so let's go with sales and click on continue. Like we can add sales for year end, that it is event or new year, so click on next. Now here you need to name your campaign, so let's add in new year sale. Okay, now you can categorize your ad. So for this, click on this icon and from here you can choose financial products. Next we have countries. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. I will go with the same. Okay, next we can click on next. Now from here where you want to direct your audience, so we want to direct it on website, you can add more options from here. What is the performance goal, so you can choose it from here. Okay, and then click on next. Now click on publish. From here you need to add the payment details and then you can run event ads. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.